Welcome back to another episode of Current Affairs MCQs. Staying updated with current affairs is essential for success in any competitive exam. Let's discuss today's questions on recent happenings around the world. What is the correct definition of diglossia? A. The ability of an individual to switch between two unrelated languages. B. A situation where two languages are mixed to create a new one. C. The coexistence of two distinct varieties of the same language used in different social contexts. D. A disorder related to difficulty in speech production. Answer: C. Diglossia refers to a sociolinguistic phenomenon where two varieties of the same language coexist within a society, but each variety has distinct social functions. Typically, one variety is considered high H and is used in formal, official, or prestigious contexts like education, government, and literature. The other variety is considered low L and is used in informal, everyday communication, such as in homes or markets. With respect to one rank one pension, OROP, consider the following statements. 1. OROP ensures that all armed forces personnel retiring at the same rank receive the same pension, regardless of their retirement date. 2. The Supreme Court in Indian Ex-Servicemen Movement v Union of India case affirmed the constitutional validity of the OROP scheme. Which of the above statements is correct? A. 1 only. B. Answer: C. OROP ensures that all armed forces personnel retiring at the same rank receive the same pension, regardless of their retirement date. The Supreme Court in Indian Ex-Servicemen Movement v Union of India case affirmed the constitutional validity of the OROP scheme, determining that different pensions for personnel of the same rank based on their retirement dates are not arbitrary. OROP addresses long-standing demands from veterans for equitable pension distribution, recognizing their sacrifices and service to the nation. Therefore, both statements are correct.